Do you know what I'm saying? Hello, you guys. Today we're gonna be doing a video on Zedge. My brother just showed me a ringtone. It's from the Wii, and like they did like a remix or something. Let me just there it is. Here. That was really funny, and we're gonna listen to other ringtones as well. Just put me see your music. Wow, that just sounds really regular. How about Roblox? Nah. And yeah, you guys. And this is the same as Panda, but like they did it with Roblox. And yeah.
The one on the very top. It's funny. It's
Oh, my brother said that
It's from Landon. Preston plays his cousin.
I was playing Minecraft mining diamonds, man, and now I'm playing Roblox. All you haters taking aim and shooting shots, try messing with the dog squad. Man, I swear the grind is real. 2 vids a day, we out here throwing Robux.
So yeah, you guys, wait, let me just hear this one.
Fucking whores!
What the freak? Let me just hear that one more time.
Fucking whores! You fucking whores!
Oh my god. Yeah, but this is my favorite one, you guys. Wait, what's going on? I hate ads. Wait, what the freak? Let me go back to Zedge. Oh, you're supposed to click that little X button. So let's go back to the like the home page of Zedge. And there's other ones like. Oh yeah, and if you guys haven't I am gonna be uploading my new, well, it's gonna be my intro for Minecraft every time I play Minecraft. So go check that out. I might post it later, cause I don't know why, but I want to post it. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed, and don't forget, have a great New Year's. And subscribe, leave a like, and comment down below. Which ringtone was your best? Your favorite one? And yeah, Happy New Year, you guys. Peace.